Hi everyone, hope your day started out well. Mine has, and I was looking over some of your sentences that were written and turned in from your last week assignments, and I noticed that there seemed to be a little confusion with two little words, a and an. We call these articles, so I thought I would do a quick lesson on those to refresh your memory and to maybe clear up some confusion about when to use them, or the correct way to use them in a sentence. Okay, so these are two little words that you have said and read and written since forever, since you were in kindergarten especially. But there are a few rules that we need to think about when we're using them in writing. Okay, now when we talk, we have spoken for a long time and we just naturally know when to use an and a. But in writing, we have to be paying attention to the vowels and consonants that follow the word, that are written in the word that follow the word a or an. Okay, so let's talk first of all about consonants and vowels. Now, I hope you remember what the vowels are. We learned a lot about vowels at the beginning of the year, and I hope that you remember that vowels make two sounds, a short sound and a long sound. And there were 5 letters in the ABCs that make up our vowels. So we sang a little song about them, if you might remember. And so the vowels are going to be important when we're talking about the article an. So I'm going to write the vowels right here. And I hope you remember what they are. A, E, I, O, and U. Okay? Now, the consonants are the other letters in the ABCs that only make one sound, like S and B and T. All of those make one sound. And so whenever we're writing a or an, we have to look at the next word that comes after a or an and whether or not it starts with a vowel or a consonant. Okay? So for us to remember, I'm going to write consonants up here. Okay, so we're going to make sure that A goes with words that start with a consonant, and is written in front of words that start with the vowel sound. So let's go ahead and practice a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to use some really short sentences because the lesson is when to use a or an. But in your writing, of course, you would use much more developed sentences with lots of verbs and adjectives and nouns and things like that. So we're going to start with this simple sentence, and we're going to start with this sentence, I ate. I ate. Now, I have to put in my word a or an. Well, a or an is going to go right here, but a or an depends on my next word in my sentence. So let's say I wrote, I ate, I want to write, let's say I had a banana. Okay. Okay, so depending on whether I'm going to use a or an depends on my next word that comes after where a or an would go. And I'm going to look at that first letter. So I see the first letter in banana is a consonant. So that tells me I'm going to be putting the word a here. Okay, so now my sentence reads, I ate a banana. Okay, so let's go ahead and do another one. Let's say I put the word apple. Let's say I didn't have a banana. After all, it was an apple. So I ate apple. I ate a apple or I ate an apple. Well, the word apple comes after the article, and apple starts with an A, which is a vowel. So I would move my word an over to my spot, and this is how I would write it correctly. I ate an apple. Okay, let's go ahead and do another one. Okay, let's do orange. All right, so I have to decide what article am I going to use when I'm writing it in my sentence. Well, the word that follows the article, a or an, is the word orange, and orange starts with an O. O is a vowel, so I would put the word an before the word orange. I ate an orange. Okay, let's go ahead and change our sentence a little bit. Practice a little bit more. Here we go. How about I saw? I saw something. I saw a, I saw an. I don't know. I have to figure out what my next word is going to be in my sentence. So let's say I saw a, let's write the word bear. Okay? I saw bear. Would it be a or an? Well, I look at the first letter of my word and it's B. That is a consonant, so it would be a. I saw a bear in the woods, or I saw a bear at the zoo. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, let's try dog. We've all seen those. Here we go. I saw dog. Is it going to be a or an? Well, I look at my word dog, right? And dog is a D, starts with the letter D. D is a consonant, so it would be a. I saw a dog, right? I saw a dog running across the street, or I saw a dog in my neighbor's yard. Okay, let's do another one. How about owl? Let's look at the word owl. Okay, now am I going to write a or an for my article? Well, I look at the first letter. Owl starts with an O. O is a vowel, so I'm going to use my article an. I saw an owl flying overhead. I saw an owl hooting in a tree, right? Okay, let's do another one. How about this one here? How about alligator? All right, here we go. So I need to put my article, either a or an here. So I look at my next word following a or an, and it's the word alligator. Alligator starts with an A. A is a vowel, so I'm going to put my word an. I saw an alligator. Okay, so that's how we would write using our articles. Okay, let's do one more. Here we go. I had, now I'm going to have to figure out what article's going to go here. I had something nice birthday. Okay, so I look at my word following where the article is going to go. I notice it's a letter N. That is a consonant, so it's going to be A. I had a nice birthday. All right, but let's go ahead and change that word. Here we go. Let's change this word here to exciting. Okay, I had exciting birthday. Oops. So I look at my word following the article, which is exciting. Exciting starts with an E. E is a vowel, so I know I'm going to use the article an. I had an exciting birthday. Okay, now when we say these, I wouldn't say I had, when we say these in talking, we just naturally use a and an. But when we're writing, we really need to be paying attention to which article goes in our sentence to make our sentence make sense. Okay, so try to remember those vowels. If the word after the article starts with a, e, I, or a U, make sure you're writing the article an. If it's a consonant, then you're writing the article a. Okay, so I hope that helps out today, and have a great rest of your day.